Hi, hello. So this video is regarding generally when we are trying to post some transactions in S4HANA, we face one error that is generally everybody faces in the demo system. That is customization of universal journal like this. So today I'm going to show you so how we can find the solutions for that. And one thing I want to clear with this error, that there will be multiple reasons for this. I keep updating those things whenever I get a chance of that errors, solving that errors. Let me show how that errors can be analyzed. So this universal journal error. So I'm going to try one post, one entry here. Uh, the company code KN2. It's S4HANA 2023 version, which I'm using now. S4HANA 2023, which I'm using now. You can see, let me pick up the GL accounts, stationery account, that's a bank, a cash and carry journal entry, which I'm trying to post. So this universal journal, once it occurs, it will not allow any entry to be posted in our company code, whichever the company code which you're using. So this is going to apply for all company codes if they are facing the same issue. So now you see, I'm trying to do this, and there is a text is mandatory. Let me do the text. Let me try to save this transaction. Simply save it. So now you see, this is the error which I was talking. Correct the customization setting for ledgers for universal journal. Generally, we get this error. So for this error, as I mentioned earlier, there could be a lot of reasons behind this, but it should be analyzed. How you can analyze, I tell you now. So first, when you get this, double click on this arrow and just go to this final one. You are seeing this blue color things. You will find, if you click over there, you'll find the reasons. Please notice here, there's something is mentioned. So in the red color, you can see here, posting period variant is empty for ledger 0C, 0E, 0, OL, and X2. Like this, it's mentioned with many things. What is the reason behind it? Is very simple. The reason is, so in S4HANA, due to this extension ledger concept, you'll understand that extension ledger when you just try to understand parallel ledger concept. So extension ledger concept, whenever the like other person who is using this SAP demo system, if they assign without their mistake 0L and other thing, without their knowledge, they assign something 0L to the company codes, to the 0L ledger, that if they for the underlying ledger, then it's going to automatically assign the ledgers to our company code. Let me show you that. So for universal journal, we should go to solve this error. We should go to FICN, FINSC underscore ledger. This is the T code. So what's the issue? I simply have 1 minute explanation. So 0L is a leading ledger for every company in SAP by default. So if somebody is doing some, I like after you create entries or when you're making your company code configuration, and after doing that, if somebody assigned this 0L as an underlying ledger for extension ledger, you can see here only extension ledgers will be having underlying ledgers. So due to this reason, there are many reasons for this. This is the basic reason. So system automatically connect these ledgers automatically to our company code. So what you should do for this when you're trying to post this, first thing is select this ledgers. 0C is there, 0. Let me start from 0C and select 0C here and go to company code settings and find your company code. My company code is KE into. Just select this and deassign. That means you should delete this. That means I am telling the system, I don't want this ledger for my company as of now. This parallel ledger, this extension ledger. When you save this, it will accept. Just click OK. Do the same thing for all other ledgers whichever is showing in red. So for example, 0E, OL and X2. Okay, let me do that quickly. Those things also. 0E. Let me select this and go to company code settings and find the company code. It's not there. That is actually there is a reason why it's not there, because 0C is for underlying ledger for 0E. Already we have done that. So then next is going to be OL. Is the OL. Let me go to company code settings. Select this and delete. Save. You can save at last also. You can save after creating after doing each ledgers. Next one is last one is X2. Yeah, it's already saved. Again, I'm saving. Yes. Now I did all these things and I de-assigned all this ledger which is not required to me. So okay. So now let me try the same entry again. I go back first to the home page. Please go back to home page to get affect the configurations. FB50. Use the same GL accounts. Now the entry got posted. Thank you very much.